Hello and welcome to the garden games. It's finally the moment we have all been waiting for. The team challenge. Peppa and her family are having a sports day in the garden. It looks like our athletes are ready to begin. First up, the egg and spoon race. Ready, steady, go! Both teams are off to a strong start. Woo! Yeah! Oh no! How unlucky for the blue team. Try again, Danny. The red team has the lead and is starting the second challenge, the beanbag toss. There. Oh dear, the red team are having some problems. Here come Peppa and Daddy Pig. Wow!
Hooray!
That was a great shot by Peppa. Uh-oh. But Mummy Pig and George are back in the race. It's going to all come down to the last event, the Muddy Puddle Bucket Challenge. The first team to fill their bucket with mud wins. Oh, it looks like the blue team is off to a strong start. But don't count the red team out yet. Oh, now the red team is in the lead. No, it's the blue. No, red again. No, blue. Who is it going to be? That's it. It's a draw. Everyone wins.
Yay! Dear Granny and Grandpa, I miss you very much. Hope to see you soon. Love, Peppa. P.S. Our garden is very messy without your help. Yay!
Come on, Peppa and George. Now we have to take our letters to the post box.
Now all we have to do is wait. Right, Daddy?
That's right, Peppa. I'm sure Granny and Grandpa will write back straight away.
Ooh. Peppa, George, you have post. It looks like it's from your pen pals, Granny and Grandpa Pig.
Yay! Hooray! Read it, Mummy, read it.
Dear Peppa and George, thank you for your lovely letters. We miss you very much too, but it won't be too long until we are together again. Be sure to remind Mummy to water the plants. Lots of love, Granny and Grandpa.
The post is here. Oh, there is no post today. Oh, surprise! Granny, Grandpa, I thought I would just get a letter from you, but it's actually you.
I told you we would see each other again soon, Peppa.
We loved getting all your lovely letters. It made the time go so much quicker.
Wow! Look at that tree. It's almost as big as our house. And what big presents. I wonder what could be inside. I bet it's a helicopter. Dinosaur! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. Hello, Madam Gazelle. What are you singing? We're carol singing. Want to try? I would love to, but George and I need to find a special Christmas present for Mummy. Why don't you try the Christmas pudding stall? My mum loves Christmas pudding. That's a very good idea, Candy. Come on, George. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. would you like to try some of my famous Christmas pudding? Yes, please. I love Christmas pudding. Here you go. Yum, yum. It's so delicious. I'm glad you like it. Daddy, do you think this would be a good present for Mummy? I think it would be a lovely present, but it's not that easy to wrap a pudding. Why don't we try over there? I think I saw some fluffy slippers that Mummy would like. Great idea. These slippers are so soft and fluffy. Mummy's feet are going to be so warm. Daddy Pig helps Peppa and George wrap the slippers for Mummy. George has the very important job of putting the colourful ribbon on top. Now we can put Mummy's surprise presents under the tree. There. Now Mummy has 2 surprises to open on Christmas Day. It's a little bit cramped in here. Everybody ready? Here we go! Why isn't it going up, Miss Rabbit? I don't know. When I pull this handle, it usually makes the hot air balloon go up. I know! You forgot to untie the balloon from the ground. Oh yes, that's right. Don't worry, I'll untie it for you. There we go. Hurry, Daddy Pig. The hot air balloon is leaving without you. Wait for me. Here we go. Up, up, and away. Careful, Peppa. It's a long way down. Everything looks so small from up here. I think I can see our car from up here. Wow! And look, there's our house. Oh, hello there. I think it thinks you're a tree, Daddy. Its wings must be very tired to have flown all the way up here. Oh dear, where did my hat go? Daddy, the little bird knocked your hat off your head. Oh dear, Daddy Pig's head isn't protected from the sun anymore. Don't worry, Daddy Pig. Your hat won't have gone far. Down we go. I was sure your hat would be around here somewhere. There it is. Your hat's stuck in that tree. I'm not quite tall enough to reach it. Thank you, little bird. Not too fast, Peppa and George. The sea isn't going anywhere. Peppa and George love to splash in the sea, almost as much as they love splashing in muddy puddles. Oh, that looks like fun. Come on, Grandpa. Everyone loves the sea. Grandpa Pig doesn't seem to be going into the sea. Aren't you coming in, Grandpa? Not now, Peppa. I went for my swim this morning. Big wave coming through. Hey, Grandad Dog. Can't you see I don't have my suit on? Grandpa Pig, who comes to the beach without their swimsuit? Well, I might as well come in now. Hooray! 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 Mummy and Daddy Pig have returned. Now, Peppa, what was your favourite part of the day? Well, my favourite part was very funny. Go on, Peppa. They will like that story. Grandad Dog soaked Grandpa with a big wave while we were on the beach. Grandpa, wet! Yes, George, but Grandpa wasn't wearing a swimsuit. Oh, that does sound funny. I certainly did not see that giant wave coming. You're welcome. Are we all ready? Yes! Yes! OK then, everybody in. Off we go! Stop! What is it, Peppa? Daddy, we forgot our bikes. Oh dear, we can't leave without those. Let's try that again, shall we? Phew! Surely we have everything now. Hooray! Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, Peppa and George have arrived at their campsite. Wow! I love the forest. Why don't you and George ride your bikes for a bit while Daddy Pig and I set up camp? Yay! Come on, George. Hooray! I like our campsite, Daddy Pig. Me too. Now, who is hungry? Me! Me! It is already time for dinner. Mummy, do you know any campfire songs? I know this song. Bong bing boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bongly boo. Bong bing boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bongly boo. Campfire dinner is served. Hooray! What should we do first, Susie? The Ferris wheel? Yes! Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. Let's do the carousel next, Susie. Emily, do you want to come on the carousel with us? Oh, yes, please. Any takers for the carousel? Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Hello, Emily. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Hello, Emily. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. What should we do next? Grandpa Pig! Madame Gazelle said she needed a train driver for the fun fair. And you know I do love locomotives. Now, all aboard! Hooray! Peppa must have had a very busy day at playgroup. Looks like she isn't the only one. Oh no, it's stuck. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3, push! Great job, everyone. What a beautiful Christmas tree. Are you ready to decorate it now? Oh, yes! What shall we start with? I think we should start with the tinsel because it's sparkly and shiny and it matches my dress. That's a great idea. Careful, Peppa. You're turning Daddy Pig into a Christmas tree too. Oops. Sorry, Daddy. That's all right, Peppa. Let's hang the rest of the decorations together. Peppa and George help Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig decorate the rest of the tree. They hang some colourful baubles and some more shiny sparkly tinsel and some flashing fairy lights. There, we're all finished. Well done, everybody. It looks amazing, but I can't help but feel that something is missing. That's right, George. There's no star on the top of the tree. It's not in the decorations box. I wonder where it could have gone. We can't have a Christmas tree without a star on top. George, where are you going? What a wonderful idea, George. We can put your dinosaur on the top of the Christmas tree instead. Rah! I think that this is the best Christmas tree we've ever had.
I bet there are balloons loose all around here. Why don't we try to find them all, Madame Gazelle?
Oh, you children always impress me. What a wonderful idea. Let's call it Project Balloon Bonanza.
Look up there! It's a balloon!
Good spot, Rebecca. Children, do you think you have what it takes to reach it?
Yay! Just need to untie it. Yay! Woo! Yay! Woohoo! Got it! I can't see a balloon anywhere. Balloon!
George, maybe if you swung on the swing it would free the balloon.
Oh no! Ah! Balloon! Yay!
Peppa party, Peppa, Peppa party. Peppa, Peppa party with my friends and me. Come and join the party, Peppa, Peppa party. Peppa, Peppa party with my friends and me.
Great job, everyone. Wouldn't it be nice to make Madame Gazelle a mask too?
Oh, yes, Mummy. But what sort of mask would Madame Gazelle like?
I have an idea. I think I know what kind of mask Madame Gazelle would like. Because it's Mummy Pig's favourite kind. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I'm so sorry I'm late, everyone. My goodness, you've all made your masks and they're lovely. I'm so proud of you all.
Thank you, Madame Gazelle. We remembered everything you taught us.
Besides, I, Madame Gazelle, have been here the whole time. Ha ha ha.
Madame Gazelle, we thought about what sort of mask you might like. That's right. Could you please close your eyes?
My goodness. Yes, okay, Susie. Ooh, heaven.
You can relax, Madame Gazelle. You have been rushing around all morning. Besides, we have you here all the time now.
Hooray!
Yay!
Well spotted, George. That's a shooting star. Make a wish.
Some of the stars make shapes, like those ones. They look like me.
You're right, Peppa. A group of stars that make a shape is called a constellation. Who would like to see the constellations in the sky more clearly?
Yes!
So you set it up as so, and peek through this part at the sky. Ah! Oh my!
What is it?
Silly Daddy, it's only a tiny little spider. Mummy, what do you think George wished for earlier when the shooting star passed by? What was that? I think I know what George wished for now. Time.
This smells yummy, Mummy Pig.
Thank you. It's so hot today, it feels like we've all been on the barbecue too, Daddy Pig.
Oh, don't worry. I have just the thing to help cool us down. Who fancies cooling down in the paddling pool?
Me! This is so yummy.
Ho ho! It certainly is hot.
Daddy Pig, look at you. You're bright red. Mummy, why do crabs bury themselves under the sand?
I imagine it's to keep out of the hot sun, Peppa.
That's it.
Ooh! Ooh! Be careful! Oh my, it is rather cool down here.
There you go, Daddy. That will keep you cool until we go home. Good work, Peppa and George. I'm very proud of you. What?
Woo! Yippee!
Amazing work, everyone. Thank you.
But Grandpa, there's still that big pile of mud. We still have time to clean it up, don't we, Mr. Pig?
Ho ho! We should do, as long as the animals don't come back just yet.
Ah.
Oh no! The guinea pig will get too muddy for petting at this rate.
Wait, Mr. Guinea Pig, please slow down.
Peppa, George, Rebecca, are you okay?
Yes, we're okay. That cheeky little guinea pig is so cute.
He sure is. Oh my!
Silly Mummy, it's only chickens.
I suppose they are cute, aren't they, Peppa? Detective Peppa and Detective George search the kitchen for the lost keys.
Were the keys under the table, George? No, maybe Maybe they're in the fruit bowl. Oops!
Oh dear, I can't see the keys anywhere.
Maybe we could pretend it's the morning again and see where you went.
That's a great idea, Peppa. Now let me think. First, I sat at the table and ate my breakfast. After that, I went over to the sink and did the washing up.
Maybe Mummy found them in the luggage. We should go and check.
Did you find anything?
No, I'm afraid not. Did you?
No, not yet. But I think we're getting close with Detective Peppa and Detective George's help.
We checked every room in the house, but we couldn't find Daddy's keys anywhere.
Suddenly, Detective Peppa notices something shiny poking out of one of Daddy Pig's pockets.
Daddy, what's that in your pocket?
My keys! They were in my pocket the whole time. Well done, detectives! We would never have found them without your help.
Hooray! Does this mean we can go on our summer holiday adventure for real this time?
Absolutely! Let's go! They're not here either. They must be very good at hiding. That was definitely Peppa and George. They must be in the upstairs bedroom. Where could they be?
Boo!
No!
Oh, there you are.
We fooled you.
You certainly did. We thought we were never going to find you. Clearing the mud off the motorhome was a lot more work than we thought. Yes, all that work has made me hungry.
I know. Maybe George and I could make you a snack before we go on a mountain adventure.
That's a wonderful idea. Thank you. Okay, first we need to stir the cookie mixture.
I can do that.
Perfect. Now we need to make one cookie for each of us. How many is that, George?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. One for you, one for Peppa, one for me, and one for Daddy Pig. Yum! They look delicious.
Can we eat them now, please?
Not yet, Peppa. First, we have to bake them.
Yummy! They smell scrumptious.
Why don't you take them to Daddy Pig? I'm sure he's hungry after cleaning all the mud off the motorhome.
Look, Daddy, we made cookies, one for each of us.
Oh, just what I needed.
Puddle!
No, George! Oh dear, now I'm all messy.
You look like a giant cookie, Daddy.